In the last year, Hawaiian Electric has made significant improvements to reduce the risk of wildfires. Some of the measures we've taken include launching a public safety power shutoff program in which we may preemptively shut off power in areas that are at high risk of wildfires during periods of hazardous weather conditions, deploying employees trained as safety spotters to those high-risk areas to provide additional eyes and ears in strategic locations, collaborating with public safety partners like first responders, emergency management agencies, government and military entities, as well as customers and community groups, and hardening critical distribution lines by replacing older overhead lines with new aluminum lines. Testing, treating, replacing or upgrading utility poles with poles that can withstand greater wind speeds or have been protected with fire-resistant materials. Installing weather stations to provide real-time data on wind, temperature, and humidity in wildfire-prone areas, and high-definition video cameras with artificial intelligence to help detect wildfires fast. Continuing ongoing vegetation management around power lines, including the removal of 70 trees on Maui identified as hazardous. Deploying new technology like lightning arresters and sparkless fuses, and setting circuit breakers in high-risk areas to automatically shut off power when a disturbance is detected on a circuit, and using drones or helicopters to inspect equipment like poles, wires, insulators, and conductors in hard-to-access locations. We'll also be filing a longer-term wildfire safety plan to include underground power lines in strategic at-risk areas. As we continue to address threats from extreme weather and climate change, we'll seek more federal funding for safety and resilience, and continue refining an overall strategy for the safety of all our customers, our communities, and our state.